Hi, I'm Mark with ProLine Range Hoods, and today I'd like to introduce you to our 1300 CFM blower. Now this is an inline blower, fits a 10-inch duct, regular 110 power, so it fits a regular power outlet. It's a single-speed motor that's infinitely variable, so you would use a speed controller. So if you have an existing speed controller, you just need to make sure it's rated for 600 watts. This motor runs at about 2,850 RPMs. It's got a permanently sealed motor bearing system, so it lifetime of trouble-free use. It's rated for about 140 degrees of airflow, so you can run really hot airflow through this trouble-free for a long time. Perfect application for a remote blower, for barbecue, for something away from the cooking area where you're looking to draw a lot of air. Now, we have these in customer installations where they use even 2 of these on top of a barbecue hood, either close to the roof or inside an attic, crawl space, gazebo area. They work fantastic. Galvanized housing, it's a durable, rugged, galvanized housing, so you mount directly to framing using an isolator. Easy to wire. It's a single speed that you can use any potentiometer or speed controller with. We recommend a Leviton or a Lutron or a Leviton or another UL certified brand. So in our case, our setup, we're testing this as a wall control for some of our outdoor models. So I've just set up, this part is just to operate the fan. So this is the power. So just turn that on and off really quick. We'll get to that in a second. Then I also have a meter here to show you the amps, the draw, and the volts. So we're upside down. We need to draw the air from this side. So what we'll do, turn this on. Now it's on high. I'm going to turn it down to its lowest setting. And as is typical with a single speed motor, you have a startup and run capacitor. When you hear that motor and it hums like that at the beginning, what it's doing is it's starting, and the capacitor is kicking in extra energy to help start the rotation of the induction motor. So this is an AC induction motor. Like I said, this control is a fixed speed control. If you were to use a potentiometer with a rotating knob, you could get a lower speed. This one is fixed at about 200, 500, 800, 1,000, and then full speed. So there you have it, our 1300 CFM blower, 10-inch ductwork, 1300 CFM, years of trouble-free use. It is perfect for any application that requires a remote blower with variable speed, and you need it to draw a lot of air over a distance. So this performs excellent under load. So for ProLine Range Hoods, thanks for watching, and we appreciate your business.